children? Good morning to all. How are you all? Did you read the chapter? Our first chapter? The earth our home? Okay. So we were saying about continents. 7 continents. Yes or no? Do you remember? Okay. So today we are moving with the next continent, that is Europe. Next continent, that is Europe. Europe is the 6th largest continent. Europe is the 6th largest continent. And this Europe is fully bordered by the Mediterranean Sea and Atlantic Ocean. Fully bordered by Mediterranean Sea and Atlantic Ocean. Then this Europe is the home to the greatest civilizations. This Europe, that is Harappan civilization, Mesopotamian civilization. Later when you go to 7th and 8th standard, you will be going with all this civilization. Now just keep it in your mind that this Europe, this continent is home to the greatest civilizations. And the next point, the main famous countries such as Norway, Denmark and UK. Norway, Denmark and UK are in Europe. Once again, the famous countries such as Norway, Denmark and UK are in Europe. And the next point is that Volga, V-O-L-G-A, Volga. V-O-L-G-A, these are the important rivers in Europe. Volga and Danube, D-A-N-U-B-E, Volga and Danube. These are the main important rivers in Europe. Volga and Danube are the main important rivers. And also the highest mountain range, Alps, A-L-P-S, highest mountain range Alps is also in Europe. So my dear children, listen carefully. We were dealing with our Europe. It's the 6th largest continent, then bordered by Mediterranean Sea and also Atlantic Ocean. Then it is home to the greatest civilizations. Then main countries such as Norway, Denmark and UK are in Europe. Then highest mountain range Alps is in Europe. Main 2 rivers Volga and Danube. These both are also in Europe. And the last continent is Australia. We are moving with the last continent, Australia. Australia is the smallest continent. 7 continents we discussed. Out of that, this Australia is the smallest continent, and this continent is also known as island. This continent is also known as island because it is fully covered with water. This Australia is the smallest continent and it is known as island also because it is fully covered by water. And in southern hemisphere, when we move with that one, that is, this Australia is in southern hemisphere. Australia is in southern hemisphere, and the Great Barrier Reef, that is the world largest coral reef. The Great Barrier Reef, that is the world largest coral reef. It is also in Australia. So, my dear children, before winding this class, we were dealing with 2 continents, Europe and Australia. Europe is the 6th largest continent, whereas Australia is the smallest continent. And in Europe, it is bordered by Mediterranean Sea and Atlantic Ocean, Whereas in the case of Australia, it is fully covered by water and we will call it as island also. Then it is home to greatest civilization. And here this Australia, it's a home for shark, dolphins, seals, SEALs. We can see sharks, dolphin, and seals, SEALs. And famous countries Norway, Denmark, UK are in Europe. Famous rivers Volga, Danube are in Europe. Highest mountain range Alps is in Europe. And in the case of Australia, Australia is in southern hemisphere. Great Barrier Reef, that is World Coral Reef. It is also in Australia. So my dear children, this is for today's class. Go through the chapter and notes will be giving later. Thank you. Have a nice day.